Okay, I just want to quickly show you what I was talking about. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take your rollback bar and roll it back to where you had made that sketch. So now if I go here, right, this is your part, and if I go up to the primary views, right, these are your primary views. So this is your top view. So this is the top view, and this piece here with this sketch should be pointing towards, it should be vertical essentially. And then if I look at the front view, you can obviously see that you didn't do this sketch properly, the cut extrude. So your cut, if I show you where your sketch is, you made a sketch over here, and that sketch should be made on the front plane. So you need to redo your part, and so essentially you've done the stuff properly to a certain extent, but you need to go over and redo some of this stuff. So if I go back and I go back up to here, this is your top view, this is your front view, and your cut, if I make a sketch now, I should sketch this on the front plane. Right? There isn't a plane for you to sketch on, so you need to sketch on the front plane, and go ahead and make your triangle. And use this to cut. So features, extruded cut, and I'll do through all both. And then when I view it from the front, that's the view that I get. All right, hopefully this helps.